There's no support.
It doesn't matter to me.
See, stop.
Ganyan kaya.
Hello everyone!
Good afternoon.
It's Friday.
Yes, it's Friday already. Weekend.
And it's 2 p.m. Well, 3 past 2.
Yes.
And our weather today is very sunny.
Very warm.
I don't feel it though.
I feel it very warm.
22 degrees Celsius.
Is it 22 degrees?
Yes.
First time after a very long time. That's why we cannot go out at this moment.
Yeah,
It's very sunny.
You just must sweat.
No. You will get really sweaty.
That's okay.
Now it's slow connection again. Wow. Okay. Hi everyone. Hope you are all doing well. And yes, it's Friday and hopefully you are going to have a good weekend. Enjoy your weekend with your family or do the things that you love or just rest or relax. So today is day
54 of the 90-day challenge.
and we are going to discuss
Expanding awareness and consciousness.
yes, expanding awareness and consciousness. So this involves deepening our understanding of ourselves, others, and the world around us. It's about becoming more present, mindful, and attuned to our thoughts, feelings, and experiences. So here's a discussion on this topic. Number 1 is mindfulness practices. Engaging in mindfulness practices such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercise can help expand awareness and consciousness. These practices encourage us to cultivate present moment awareness, observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment, and develop a deeper connection to ourselves and the world around us. So that's mindfulness practices. So we're going to be more aware and conscious of our surroundings and of ourselves.
Number 2, exploring different perspectives. Expanding awareness involves exploring different perspectives and challenging our assumptions and beliefs. By seeking out diverse viewpoints, listening to others with an open mind, and embracing curiosity, we can broaden our understanding of complex issues and expand our consciousness.
That's true. We need to explore different perspectives.
We're all different.
And it's good to seek different viewpoints from other people. So number 3 is emotional intelligence. So developing emotional intelligence is essential for expanding awareness and consciousness. This involves recognizing and understanding our own emotions as well as the emotions of others. By cultivating empathy, compassion, and self-awareness, we can deepen our connection with others and enhance our overall emotional well-being. Yes.
Number 4, self-reflection and self-inquiry. Taking time for self-reflection and self-inquiry is another powerful way to expand awareness and consciousness. This involves asking ourselves meaningful questions, exploring our values, goals, and aspirations, and gaining insights into our thoughts, behaviors, and motivations.
Yes. So guys, this topic we researched it. That's why while we are discussing it with you, we are also learning about it. That's good about this business. We are learning every day. So number 5 is nature connection. I love it, the nature. So spending time in nature can also facilitate the expansion of awareness and consciousness. Nature has a way of grounding us, fostering a sense of awe and wonder, and reminding us of our interconnectedness with all living beings. Well, whether it's going for a hike in the mountains, strolling through a park, or simply sitting in a garden, immersing ourselves in nature can help us to tap into a deeper sense of presence and connection. That's why I really love to go outside in the park, in the beach, or maybe in the forest, because you can really feel the serenity of the surroundings, and you can really have a deeper sense of connection in it. And besides, the, the the air is really fresh. That's why I really love going out in nature.
Number 6, lifelong learning. Embracing a mindset of lifelong learning is key to expanding awareness and consciousness. Whether through reading books, attending workshops, taking courses, or engaging in meaningful conversation, the pursuit of knowledge and personal growth enriches our understanding of ourselves and the world.
Yes, lifelong learning. Because education is a process of lifelong learning. So, whoever is watching us right now, thank you. And for all our new followers, thank you for your support. And kindly comment below where you are watching from, and whoever's watching the replay too. So number 7 is cultivating gratitude. This is really important. So practicing gratitude is another powerful way to expand awareness and consciousness, because by focusing on the positive aspects of our lives and expressing gratitude for the people, the experiences, and blessings we have, we can cultivate a greater sense of abundance, joy, and connection. That's why these things that we discussed today is really important for us, so we can have a deeper understanding of ourselves, being conscious of ourselves, aware of whatever is happening around us too. So overall, guys, expanding awareness and consciousness is an ongoing journey of self-discovery, growth, and evolution. Because by embracing mindfulness practices, exploring different perspectives, developing emotional intelligence, and engaging in self-reflection and connecting with nature, pursuing lifelong learning, and cultivating gratitude, we can deepen our understanding of ourselves and the world, leading to greater fulfillment and well-being. So I hope everyone who is watching us right now, or whoever is watching the replay, I hope, guys, you're able to get some knowledge
anything.
anything on what we discuss, so you'll gain deeper understanding on expanding your self-awareness and consciousness.
Not just awareness.
Yes, awareness and consciousness. So that's our topic for today. So guys,
Happy Friday.
happy Friday, and
Enjoy your weekend.
yes,
Take a nice little 2-day break.
and
Join the business.
yes, you learn a lot of things in this business, professionally and personally. So guys, thanks for watching and have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.